Good morning. Good morning, sunshine. Just get up. No makeup. No makeup today because Aunt Flo is somewhere around the corner and I got a big old pimple somewhere on the side of my face. And I can't afford to agitate that thing. Who has food in the microwave? My shirt, Monday plan, drink all the coffee. So Rob and I are going to go pick up lunch for the kiddos. And then we're going to go on a little, it's like a little day date, you know. So Rob and I can have some time alone. Destiny, you're in charge. Okay, Jason, you're in charge. So
We're both in charge.
I think my jacket's in the car. All of these there. Oh, I wish I could fit in Destiny's stuff. She has the cutest stuff ever. I wish I could fit in it. My face is probably dry as hell. Look on Rob. Rob always ready. Always ready.
Mommy,
Yes.
love your AirPods.
Oh. Actually, we don't need them. Okay, whatever. When you know use for nice stuff. Say good morning, Rob.
What's going on?
So, we're gonna go to Lido's. Hang on. Oh no, all up in my airline. So we're gonna go to Lido's to go pick up some.
Around in his living room?
He's a weirdo.
You see him?
No. And probably I watch you. We're gonna go pick up some pizza and wings.
What are you looking over there for?
No, cause y'all look. So me, I look too.
I'm looking at the garage door.
Oh, okay. I've been thinking you did say something. I didn't even fix my part. Anyways, people, I'm gonna go put my belt on and hang out with Rob. Look at him fierce. Watch him fierce. Me tell him said the peanut oath. I showed him the video where I forgot which one of y'all pointed it out. The video where the bathroom door just opened by itself. I rewatched that thing like 10 times. 3 o'clock in the morning, and I was convinced that there is a ghost in our house until I remember that there's a vent in the bathroom, so every time the air comes on it pushes the door out. Don't know why, but if the bathroom door is not shut like lock like with the, you guys know what I'm trying to say, it will push it out. Anyways, I gotta go. I feel like it's not white anymore. Who eats celery with their wings? Because I don't.
I'm keeping these.
You keeping the 4-pan?
Yeah.
Why is it so cheap, bro? What's that, jerk? Vito said it's Rob's so cheap he gonna keep the 5-pan.
Who wants celery? I don't know.
Oh, the trash gotta go out. So we got
I can't go outside though.
it can't go out. Why?
There's no space.
Oh, we run out of space already? Today's only Monday.
Yeah.
Oh wow. Y'all gonna have to.
This is going to the garage.
Y'all gonna have to take, babe. Where's the missing pizza?
I don't know. It came like that.
This look burned.
Oh, it said well done.
Oh, well done.
Mm-hmm.
You burn up the pizza? Which one is that? The honey?
It's jerk.
Oh,
Strips in the back.
I can't wait.
All those wings are just yours?
You said all the wings are just his, Gio?
Are they?
I don't know. We are talking. Let me show y'all this door. So, if it's not, hold on. If the door does not shut like this, and it's just like that, when the air cuts on in here, so there's a vent. So this is the vent, and it does it to the toilet paper. Always unrolling the toilet paper. So this, when this kicks on, it pushes the door. Can you move? Mumba cha. Can you move? You don't need to be on something all the time, man. Just play with your toys. No, play with your toys. That's what I bought it for. No, you're not getting on no technology. No. We're about to watch a movie, and I want you to watch it with me. I want you to watch it with me, okay? 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 I want you to watch it with me. These kids and these technology, man, it's getting annoying. Now I have a pitney. I have a child. I have a pitney hanging off of my leg. No. You're not being on no phone. Rob making secret sauce for our food. Can you let go off of my leg, please? Let go off of my leg. Let go of the leg, man. The leg. The leg. The leg. The leg. The leg. Come off of my leg, Maddie. This is not a pole. Come down. I put onion rings in the oven, and there's a certain brand of onion ring that I eat. So good. Let me show y'all. This one. This is the bomb idacticom, okay? If you've never tried it, do yourself a favor and go enjoy that. The twins are gonna do their chores in a little bit, but we're gonna watch a movie. No, we're gonna watch a movie after we eat, and then I'm gonna make some. I'm gonna make that right now. Make some a glass of something because I need it. We're in Lowe's, trying to get ourselves in some kind of trouble. So we're gonna frame up, put molding on the cabinet. I want to show Rob what I'm talking about because he don't seem to understand what the heck I'm talking about. So I'm gonna show him what I mean by putting molding on the cabinets. Let's go look at these over here. Okay. So you see how they have the molding up here? I want this. This is what I want on the bottom, and I also want that style crown. I want this faucet, and I like this quartz, but Rob don't like the gold. He's a hater when it comes to the gold. I love this. This would go nice with this.
You just know I don't like.
Yeah, I love gold. This is pretty. I think this would go with our. I think this is pretty. Look at the cooktop. This would be so nice in our kitchen. But yeah, this is the molding I want. And this.
You don't say this is the molding you want. You said you want it straight.
No, there's also another one that's straight. Hold on. Okay, here's the one that I had first told him about.
But you know it's not gonna sit like this.
What?
This.
Flush?
Mm-hmm.
No.
Whatever.
I know, the cabinet sits up here.
Mm-hmm.
So, but I fell in love with this. And that style of trim is not bad either. Kind of minimal. And then they have this style over here. This is cute too. That's cute. This is another door added on to the cabinet. So I love the sparkle in this countertop. Love it. Oh, love the sink. Love the sink.
Yeah, I like that. Yeah, I don't mind that.
Yeah, I love the sparkle thing. I don't know what the heck they're calculating here. But that's pretty. What? What? You can put stuff in there. You can put like a spice. You pull out a spice rack there.
Until one gets jammed up and falls over.
Yeah, but this is what I like this. I love how deep these doors are. I think that's cute.
Hey, you want to burn that one?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, $80 with no battery.
That's not bad, right? So we found this one right here. It's $9.66, so like $10, and we need 19 feet. So these are 7 feet. So we got 3 sevens, what, 21? So what, $30? And then we still have to do the top. But we haven't found any.
I'm not messing with the top right now.
Rob's scared. Rob's always scared.
I'm not scared.
Rob is always
I don't
scared of
overwhelm
projects. Look at him. Always scared of projects.
I don't overwhelm myself.
I love this. This is cute. It's really cute. That one is pretty. These are the wood look tile.
Wall tile?
Hmm?
This for the wall?
No, this is for floor.
Why did it say wall tile and backsplash?
I don't know. But I'm saying they have tiles that are for floors. Stunning wood style. Wood style with the benefit of tile. So, and then I'm gonna show y'all the tile I want for my bathroom. Of this, but Rob is not gonna go for it. This is pretty. Even this one. This is pretty. But he's not gonna go for it. Ooh. I love that one right here. That's pretty. Even this is nice. But I want something that pops. Oh, there they are. I found them. I like this one. But I like that one out there. The black and white. The black and white one. I want that one for my bathroom and my laundry room. What do y'all think? Rob's willing to compromise between this or this. I don't think he likes that one, but this is pretty. But that's my baby up there. But I like this. I like this because you can do black grout and nobody will know your floor's dirty. So yeah. Okay, so we're all done with those. This is gonna be Rob's little DIY project, and we did the calculations for the flooring in the bathroom, so that's gonna be another little DIY that Rob will be doing. But either way, it's not bad. $100 for the flooring and stuff, and then he's gonna mess around with the molding, the bottom part first, and then work on the top part. He said not to overwhelm him with the projects now that he's off from work for 2 weeks. This is the first project I've asked him to do since he's been home, and he's what, day 8 into being home? Is it day 8? Yes. So I think I've done good in the sense that I didn't ask him to do anything. Anyway, it's dark, so I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye guys.